Hi, my name is Sahas and I'll be leaving India in September to pursue my bachelor's degree in computer science in University of Massachusetts, Amherst. The journey that has started from the very beginning, where I paid the UT study abroad fees till the visa step, it's been a crazy one. And I guess UT has done a fantastic job when it comes to the guidance, support, everything. Along with SAT, I was preparing for GE, and at first I thought it would be a hard one to balance both of them. But with proper guidance of Manish sir and Nandini ma'am, I guess I was perfectly able to maintain the perfect balance between JE and SAT. And I would like to thank Nandini ma'am for helping me a lot in the essays. I guess she is the sole reason why I was able to excel in my essays. Once again, thanks to whole UT team. Thanks Anubhav sir, Manish sir, Shruti ma'am, and Nandini ma'am. Thank you.